Well, it's hard to leave this view. I've been enjoying it over the last 2 days, even with rainy day 48. But the show must go on. We have to continue. We have to continue to. By the way, it's the town of Brunei, which I've been in the last couple of days, and bebopping back and forth between my sleeping place and hiking and just hanging out. It's a nice little town. I'm enjoying it. Anyway, so welcome to day 50. So I just want to show you this incredible view as I'm driving. I'm stopping right in the middle of the road. It's a little dangerous, but I want to show you this view that we're having in Sardinia as we're going north. This is the east coast that we're on, or the east side of the island that we've been on for the last several days. But we're finally getting back to. We're on our way to bigger cities, but I just want to show you these mountains. I think it's just gorgeous. And you can see, here, I'll pull up right here. You can see how far over that goes. So we pulled over at a pass here, and it's got a great view going northeast. This is the direction we're going to be going here. This gentleman right here is flying a drone, which is fine. I thought about maybe getting my drone out, but this view is pretty spectacular as it is, I think. So I think we're going to be good. And sorry, that's the drone operator talking to his family. Anyway, so nice view. Okay, I just had to pull over. We came from the pass rather than the left side, and just wanted to show you this right here. It's really spectacular, and I want to also zoom in on this for you to see. There's a gap in that rock, and that gap right there goes down to right there, and you can imagine how much water comes through that in the winter. My gosh. There's a reason there's no trees in the middle of that right there. And there's no water to, at least I can't even see any water there right now. Nope. So you get the idea. That's got to be a heck of a hike back there too. Now there's a building away here, but I'm going to go around it and show you the rest. Spectacular. All right. Let's keep going. So we've almost come full circle to where we started. Actually, I went beyond it, but I wanted to show you those mountains right there, but as well as this bay. You can see a yacht right there, but wait till you see these yachts right here. Look at the size of those yachts. Talk about super rich, huh? Anyway, welcome to day 51. So I stopped just to show you this really spectacular view of this coast. So we have another incredible vista here, and this is the kind of weather we should have had the first 3 days, and this is why I was so aggravated, because I mean, look at the colors that you get with the sun. Now I've got in line, let me repeat that, I've got in line another beach for us to check out and for us to go on, swim in. The problem is they're going to charge us on parking, so I'm going to try and finagle us a free spot. We'll see what happens. If you don't hear from me on the money, that's because I had to pay. So I just want to take a second here to show you how beautiful these mountains are. On this little country road. We're only 10 minutes from main civilization here in Sardinia. But the reason I'm out here on this road is because of a fontanella. And it's right here. So, I came out for the water, but the view is awesome. And the rock walls, along with all the flowers, everything is blooming, just spectacular. Even though you've got the power lines in the way.